Hello, Candiners. Currently, Candina open opportunities for European and Moroccan seafarers to join on board with our Cyprus flag ship high-speed craft. And this is for a fitter, master, and bosun. For fitter and bosun, you will get some same salaries, that is 3,300 euro per month. And for the master, you will get 9,000 euro per month. And for this master, you need to have experiences sailing from Spain to Morocco, or Morocco to Spain. And also you need to have experiences in high speed craft ship. For this master, you will have 42 days on and 42 days off, but you will for this the first joining, you will get a more longer contract, because you will make a familiarization to the transfer knowledge from last master to you. And so you need to have learn about everything in the vessels. Yes, if you have some all of this requirement, you can send your application in our link database. You can find it in our link video description. Yeah, please put all of your certificates and also sea service and a correct profile to our link database, so we can contact you soon for this vacancy. Please just subscribe, like, and share this video to your friend or to your colleagues that need it for this vacancy. Okay, bye bye.